Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The third Islamic prophet is Hazrat Idris alayhi salam. He is sometimes called Enoch as he shares parallels with the biblical Enoch. Allah Ta'ala bestowed prophecy upon Idris alayhi salam when he was around the age of 40. Allah has praised Enoch, Hazrat Idris alayhi salam, describing him as being a prophet and truthful. Mentioned in the Holy Quran, Idris alayhi salam. Verily, he was a man of truth and a prophet. We raised him to a high station. Quran, chapter number 19, verse number 56 and 57. Hazrat Idris alayhi salam was born and raised in Babylon, following the teachings and religion of Prophet Adam alayhi salam and his son Set alayhi salam. Idris alayhi salam was the fifth generation of the Prophet Adam. He called the people back to his forefathers' religion, but only a few listened to him, while the majority turned away. Prophet Enoch, or Idris alayhi salam, and his followers left Babylon for Egypt. There he carried on his mission, calling people to what is just and fair, teaching them certain prayers and instructing them to fast on certain days and to give a portion of their wealth to the poor. He was the first of the children of Adam to be given prophethood after Adam and Set, peace be upon him. It is reported that he was the first to invent the basic form of writing. Some of his wise sayings are, "Happy is he who looks at his own deeds and appoints them as feeders to his Lord. None can show better gratitude for Allah's favors than he who shares them with others. Do not envy people for what they have, as they will only enjoy it for a short while. He who indulges in excess will not benefit from it. The real joy of life is to have wisdom." People suppose that Prophet Idris alayhi salam is still alive, but there is no conclusive report with regards to this statement. The only conclusive report is about Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, that he is alive in the heavens. Hazrat Idris alayhi salam is believed to have received 30 scriptures, but also to be the first person to write and observe scientific units of measurement and to study the movement of the stars. He is considered to have been a patient, clever and trustworthy man. Jazakallah. Narrated by Sabeen Abbas. If you like the video, then please click on like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Jazakumullah khairan kathira.